Car Patrol.
Hi, Billy. How are you? Are you lost, Billy? Stay here. Don't worry. I'll send someone to your rescue. Matt. Hey, Matt.
What?
Billy the Bulldozer is lost. We need to find him.
What?
I think we're going to need some help, Matt.
What?
Let's call Frank, the FireTruck, to help us.
What?
Hey, Frank. Do you want to help us find Billy? He's lost. So, where do we start?
What?
You're right, Matt. Billy went to see Amber the ambulance this morning. Let's go see her. Hey, Amber. I heard Billy went to see you this morning. Do you know where he is? Oh, he went to the farm? Thanks, Amber. Let's go see there. Matt, Frank,
What?
look, here is Ben the tractor.
Oh.
Hey, Ben, do you know where Billy went? By the forest, you say? Okay, let's go there, guys. Let's try not to get lost in there. Billy, where are you? It would be great if we could see from above. What is it, guys? Wow, a camera. Great idea. Let's see if we can see Billy now. Oh, here he is. That's Billy further down the road. Billy, you're saved now. Matt and Frank are here. Amazing, guys. You saved Billy. Now go home safe. See you next time, guys. And thanks again.